sprinter Susanne Andersen in the right place, and they do a great job of that.
Yeah, that was really well to go through that corner in front position. That's what you need, and there's not a long way to go now, and I think it could be anybody's race at the moment.
450 metres to go. On the right-hand side, you can see Le Pisteur being brought up, but Vils is on a wheel. Kirsten Wild is there on the right-hand side, waiting, ready to go. It's Majerus on the left-hand side, trying to lead out the Danish national champion, and it's going to be Didriksen who's going to light it up first. Didriksen on the right-hand side, as you look at it now, goes in the red. 200 metres to go, but I think she's gone really early. On the right-hand side, though, it's now Wild. Kirsten Wild in the centre, who hits the front. Can anybody come around her and do it? Still 75 metres to the line. Wild on the left, but I think she's tiring. Look at this, though, from Park Hotel Valkenburg, but Wild holds on the right-hand side. Kirsten Wild the strongest, off the track, onto the road, and straight to the top of the podium. That was some mightily strong sprint from Kirsten Wild.
What an incredible sprint from Kirsten Wild. It looked like she went too early, but she held on all the way to the line. It's a kind of sprint that suits her. She's such a powerful rider, but that's very impressive, coming straight from the track to win a road race like this.
Kirsten Wild, new team, same result. And that was quite incredible. It did look as though there were riders in trouble. Lorena Wiebes was the rider from Park Hotel who was putting her in trouble. You wondered, and I think it was probably right that Didriksen did go a little too early. She, who's behind her, has to check her sprint a few times. Wild hits the front right now. On the left-hand side in the pink and green, it's Wiebes. And behind her in third place at the moment as they cross the line, Kopecky, with Le Pisteur in fourth. I think that's Andersen who's going to finish in fifth place.
You could also see there, further behind Bastinelli, completely boxed in. She had nowhere to go. The likes of Voss also. And they simply almost, well, they don't sprint. When you get boxed in, there's nowhere to go. You can't open up your sprint. So, yeah, these girls who got it just right were able to challenge for the victory all together across the line.
Kirsten Wild hitting top power and maintaining top power. Nobody able to get around her. There's Voss on the right-hand side of your picture, not involved. Farlene as well, just behind her. As you say, you have to look quite a long way back to see the Women's World Tour leader. It's victory for Kirsten Wild. Second place just going to the rider from Park Hotel Valkenburg, Lorena Wiebes. And it's Lotte Kopecky in third. Fourth place, I think, just about went to the rider from Trek Segafredo, who is Lotte Le Pisteur. And in fifth from Sunweb, Susanne Andersen, pardon me. But delight for the German team, WNT Rota, and their Dutch sprinter, Kirsten Wild.